You may not see it, but God has been protecting you from battles you never had to fight. The detours, the delays, the doors that didn't open, they weren't punishments, they were protection. Sometimes, He withholds what we think we want to make room for what we truly need. So when life feels uncertain, remember, the same God who designed your body with care also designed your journey with purpose. He's not asking you to be fearless, only faithful. Trust that even when you feel weak, His strength carries you. Take care of your health not as a duty, but as gratitude for the temple He gave you. You are being shaped for something greater, and the proof of His hand is in how you're still standing, still trying, still believing. You're not walking alone. Every step is guarded by grace. Remember, one small step today can change your life tomorrow.